to show exactly how to know exactly what to do. All right, ready? I need a reader for like example one where it says Alita drove. Jonathan, please read for me.
Alita drove her car 78 miles and used 3 gallons of gas. What is the car's gas mileage and miles per gallon?
Okay, here's the trick. There's several. There's like 3 I'll show you, but the number one is this. They're going to give you a bunch of stuff and a big story. Whenever you look at the question and it says, what is the car's miles per gallon? It tells you right here, miles per gallon, right? You got 2 things. You got miles, you got gallons. Which word appears first? That word's going to be on the top. Like, for some reason, this is like something that they try to make you like figure out like what to divide. No, every time it says here, I'll take it. It says miles per gallon. The first word goes on the top of the fraction. Does that make sense? Like always, like look at the question, and if it says calories per day, or if it says hours or wages per hour, or whatever, like you know, it whatever that first word is going to be the top number. Does that make sense? Okay, so if it is 78 miles and it's 3 gallons and it's miles per gallon, how many miles per gallon? Get your calculator. What's 78 divided by 3, Day?
48.
26 miles.
Oh, 26.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I have it right here too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, it's
All right.
26.
So your answer is 26 miles.
So this is so easy.
It's so much easier than it, for some reason, has always been made to be hard for some reason. It also is easier because you have a calculator. And when you get into like dollars and cents and decimals, you don't have to do that long division anymore. All right. Number 2, I need another reader. Somebody. Day, read where it says Joe has 2.
Joe has 2 different sizes of boxes of cereal from which to choose. The 12-ounce box costs $2.54, and the 18-ounce box costs $3.50. Which box costs less per ounce?
Perfect.
So it's obviously the 18.
Okay. Here's the, I don't know. Here's how you do this. Now, what's different about this one is when we go to the question and we're like, which box is less per ounce? Okay. Here's the clue on this. Anytime you see a dollar sign, okay, in the problem, always, if it's $1 this, anytime you see a dollar sign, your dollar sign's going on the top, no matter what.
Okay.
If it's dollars per hour or cost per ounce, whatever it is, that dollar sign number is your number on the top. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
And sometimes that is like, it doesn't look like you want to do it that way because it might be like a decimal or something weird. It doesn't matter. The dollar sign value goes on the top of your fraction. So you've got dollars per ounce. And the first box, we got 2 boxes here. We're going to do 2 problems. So we had the smaller 12-ounce box. So it's $2.54 for 12 ounces. Does everybody see what I'm doing? All right. If we divide that out, how much per ounce do we get from the smaller box of cereal? Now, remember, it says it's money. So it's going to be, you can't have more than two spots after your decimal point. So if you do $2.54 divided by 12 in your calculator, what do you get, Genesis? Shh, if your name's not Genesis, don't say a word. 21 cents. So the first one is 21 cents per ounce.
I thought you're supposed to put like a C in the line there percent.
Yeah, we don't do that anymore. Okay. 21 cents.
You can also time it if you want to, but the timing, doing the time.
Don't, just divide. Trust me. Don't do anything new. I love you, Law, but it can get crazy. All right. Now you can see here how being in 7th grade and having a calculator, this also is going to make this super fast because last year you'd have had to go to the side and do 12 divided into $2.54, and that's like a big, huge long division problem. Not huge, but like a long division problem. We don't do that anymore. So this is going to seem easier than it did last year, just simply because you don't have to do the division off to the side.
Is that O2 at the bottom or is it OZ?
OZ, ounce. Okay. The next box is 18 ounces for $3.50. So what is it, Day? If you do $3.50 and 18 ounces, how much we got per ounce on this box?
19 cents.
19 cents. What's the question say, Day? You read it. What's it say?
The
The last box.
the 18-ounce box costs less per ounce.
Perfect. Which box costs less per ounce? The 18-ounce box. He's
Maybe I
correct.
knew that.
I didn't said it right off the bat.
Usually the bigger boxes, like if you're gonna buy cereal, especially the bigger one, they're gonna give you like a little bit of a deal
Well,
on
I just guessed it because it was $3.50 and the other was $2.54.
it. Yeah, we have to show the math. We can't just guess. What's up, babe?
This is why you have to-
Okay. Any questions? Here are tips. Ready? If it's a story problem, look at the question. Whatever number is first goes on the top. If there's money in it, that's going to be your top number. Okay. Now, on 1 through 8, which we're going to work on silently. You're going to work on this by yourself, which you'll be fine. And I'm going to go over the answers. Remember, the first number goes on the top always. So this should be fast. Like this number is going to go on the top. 18 people in 3 vans. If we do 18 people in 3 vans, how many people in each van? 6 people. I mean, it's super easy. And this,
I'm not good
well, you have a calculator that's great at division. So you can,
You gotta afford
all right. So we're going to quietly get through these 1 through 8. When you get down to 7 or 8, you got to think a little bit more. You need to watch your rounding here because it says round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. So if you get a big long decimal, you got to round to the nearest hundredth. You've got to remember how to do that from elementary school.
Buddy.
it.
I was doing